Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time to my channel, then welcome. My name is Rose. Today I'm going to be teaching you my lip liner tricks and how I just make my lips look juicy and full. And I'm going to be doing a nude lip today, and that's the one I find easier to make my lips look bigger. Obviously, I don't have no fillers, nothing, but when we're done, we're going to have some spicy, full lips. Keep watching to see all my little tricks that I have. So even though I'm going to wipe the foundation off my lips, we'll use our blender and apply a little bit more. But I feel like right now I have way too much and it's going to be a little too cakey. But we're going to add just a little bit in a second because we still want to cancel out any redness that we are going to get in our lips as soon as we take this off. So first things first, grab a wet wipe and get off any excess foundation. So obviously I've already done my foundation and I have some left on my blender. I'm just going to go over my lips and see how that just lightly canceled that out, and it's not just, you know, full foundation. Ben shaking his head yes. He's like, I see. So we just want a really light layer. And then I'm just gonna grab, I don't know, I wanted a highlighter. Where's my brush? Where are things? Why can't I have nice things? Oh, it's because of me. And just whatever's left on my highlighter brush, since we already kind of covered that up, I'm just gonna go over the Cupid's bow and just highlight it. There you go, done. All right, next step. So I know what you're thinking. We're gonna start on liner, but we're not. I like to do the lipstick first, and I just kind of throw it on. It doesn't have to be perfect yet. And this is my favorite pinky nude because when I mix it with my browner liners, it just turns into like the most beautiful, like modern 90s lip ever. So again, Kylie lipstick in the shade August. Just gonna throw it on. And I notice I never rub my lips together. I feel like that messes up your lipstick and it kind of makes it separate and rub back and forth, and it doesn't last as long. You can even make satin lipsticks and bullet lipsticks last longer when you don't rub your lips together. And if you're wearing a liquid lipstick, never rub your lips together. It just destroys it and it will not last. I promise you it won't. So here's a tip. Never, ever, ever rub your lips together. And it rhymes. You got this. Next up, I'm gonna grab my Kylie lip liner in the shade Malibu. I think this is my favorite lip liner at the moment. It's so perfect. So what I like to do is, the reason I do the lipstick first is because once you have lipstick on, your liner has something to blend into. So I kind of take, you okay over there?
I got you out of focus.
Oh, he went wild.
All right.
So I kind of, what I do is I take the lipstick and I drag it down and I melt it into the liner. So I'll kind of pick up the lipstick. Look what I'm doing. I'm picking up lipstick.
Mirror down.
And I'm dragging it down.
Mirror down. There.
Still? Okay. So I'm grabbing the lipstick. I'm not even going to worry about going under here. We're going to use a darker liner in a second. But I'm mixing this into the lipstick. I feel like when you do your liner first, you don't have anything for that liner to melt into. So if you just put on a little bit of lipstick first, your liner is going to melt into that lipstick and just look seamless and so much better. And then you're able to contour your lips more and draw them more. I'm not a huge like let's overdraw our lip kind of gal, but I definitely do like to shape them. And I have a little bit more of uneven lips, so I just kind of correct this shape. Again, grab some of the lipstick and kind of drag it down. Same thing up here. And again, I'm not going to worry over here because I'm going to use a darker lip liner. So just work on the Cupid's bow. Now I'm going to add a little bit more lipstick, but notice this time I'm not swiping, I'm just patting it in. And notice I'm pulling down. In this I was pulling up, and for the top I'll pull down. I'm kind of blending lightly as I go. We're still going to use a lip brush, but this gives us our initial base. Now I'm taking Coconut Lip Liner, also from Kylie Cosmetics. This one's a little bit darker, and I'm just going to hover under here. The sides of the mouth. What is going on over here? Who commissioned that? And then on the sides here. Just anywhere we want a little bit more definition. Next up, let's grab a lip brush and we're almost done. I'm taking the Sigma LO4. It's a detailed lip brush. And I'm just going to start to soften the edges and blend them up into the lipstick. I'm not going to go all the way into here because I love the definition this creates if you leave this a little darker underneath here. Look at that, it just smooths it, blends it, leaves the definition. What's that ruckus outside? And then I'm gonna grab Coconut one more time. Make sure I'm grabbing the right one. And I just want to kind of create a little bit more volume on the sides of the lips to match my bottom lip. Now I'm gonna take a concealer brush with nothing on it. This is the Huda Face Conceal and Blend brush. I do love it because it is so tapered. And I'm just going to go around the sides. Nothing is on this brush, guys.
What's on the brush?
Nothing. And you just go around and you clean it up. Do you see how clean that looks now? Go underneath here. And I try to do it all in one fell swoop. Like that. That way we don't have a white line around our lips. It just, it turns into a tragedy.
Mirror.
Mirror! Oh my gosh. It just turns into a tragedy anytime you add the concealer. Okay. One last blend with the little brush we were using. Now to make them extra juicy, I'm going to use this Patrick Ta Beauty Major Glow Lip Shine. It's pretty shiny. I wore it the other day and it lasted really, really nice. All day actually. I ate twice and I was in 80-degree humidity Houston weather and my makeup did not move, including my lipstick. So I'm just going to use the brush. I like to start in the center and kind of feather it out. I have it on the back of my hand as well. It really is really shiny. It's not as sparkly as it is in the packaging, but it's really, really shiny and it's really, really nice. And I will say it lasted. I just wish it didn't smell like peppermint. I don't like lip glosses or lipsticks that smell like peppermint. It's just not my thing. I like vanilla and cake. I like cake. I just want cake. So now we're gonna take it here. Sorry, babe.
Whoa.
Just make sure it's all blended into the sides. And I just kind of feather it out through here. And we're done. See? That before and after though. We're looking like things are a good time here in the mouth area. I actually love doing this. I've been doing this lip combo for a couple weeks now. I just got the Patrick Ta stuff, but I was using another gloss. I can't decide if I like the other one or this one, but I am really feeling this one. I do really like it. And it lasted such a long time that I was into it. All right, guys, we're all done. Like I said, and I keep saying, I'm trying to do things that are more teaching and not just, you know, makeup looks, because I do daily makeup looks on my Instagram story or my Instagram live. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, because every single day I'm using new stuff and I'm doing a tutorial every single day there. So I'm trying to keep my YouTube channel more of just my basics and the technique that I use every day to use all of the different products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this lip liner tutorial. Make sure you are subscribed, make sure you thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye, guys.